So we are very, very glad that you are here with us to at least to teach us in your most way that you can help us. But basically, the personality development is, we can trace that the doing of right things over wrong things is biblical in character. No? Simple lang naman yun. But then, through the passage of time and through the complexities of time, maraming naging problema ang buhay ng bawat tao. But then, ultimately, this is very important in public service, considering that para sa akin, ewan ko, naniniwala naman siguro kayo, yung pamumuno, simple lang naman eh. I always say, siguro maraming hepe sinabihan ko, yung skills and knowledge about doing things, para sa akin, ang mas importante is about character. If you're doing good in everything you do, bonus na sa akin yun. Pero the most important thing is, mabuti tayong taong gumagampan sa ating trabaho. Siguro marami na naman ako nasabi sa kanila, and they know me. Ang mahalaga lang siguro as we travel in a journey towards the development of a better city, lagi lang tayong magsama-sama. And for you, siguro yung inyong expertise would somehow enhance, no? Alam ko yung nandito lahat, they are all good. For what is city right now, what is the status of the city right now, is not because of the lone leadership of this representation, but through the combined efforts of everyone, especially these department heads and the city government employees. So, ang paganda ng lusod natin ay gawa sa kanilang lahat. And normally, matagal pa ang pagtatrabahuhan natin. Sabi ko nga lang, it's just unfortunate that we have to undergo through politics, that by next year it will be election time once again. But then the important thing right now, we're not thinking about politics, we're not thinking about election. But in order, yung mga bagay that we can, yung mga rooms for improvement, para maging maayos lahat yung programa ng pamahalaan. So, once again, in behalf of the city government family, thank you for coming. And for our departments, keep going, and we will be together in this journey towards a city called City of Discipline, which will deliver a better life or a better city and a happy life for all of us. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.